In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in WPS Office 2026, step by step. Whether you're expanding a report or setting up space for new content, adding a page in WPS Office is quick and reliable once you know exactly where to look and what each option does. First, open WPS Office and open your document. Give it a second to load fully so all menus are active. If the file is shared or downloaded, make sure it's in an editable state so you can make changes without restrictions. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to appear. This placement matters because WPS Office will insert the new page relative to your cursor. If you want the new page after your current section, click at the very end of your text. If you want it before a specific heading, click right before that heading. You don't need to highlight anything, just position the blinking cursor. Now go to the Insert option from the toolbar or menu at the top of the window. The Insert area is where WPS groups all tools related to adding content, including pages, breaks, images, and more. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the document editing view and that the ribbon or menu is expanded. Within Insert, choose either Blank Page or Page Break. Here's the simple way to think about the difference. Blank Page adds a full empty page right at your cursor position, creating space you can use immediately. Page Break moves everything after the cursor onto the next page, which is great for keeping sections, titles, or chapters neatly separated without inserting extra blank space later on. Both options are correct. Pick the one that fits your layout goal. The moment you select one of these, WPS Office will automatically add the new page. You'll see the page appear in the document, and your cursor will be positioned appropriately so you can continue working. Start typing or adding content on the new page. You can write text, paste content you copied earlier, or insert elements like images, tables, or charts. If the page lands in the wrong spot, simply undo and reposition your cursor before trying again. When you're satisfied, tap Save to keep your changes. Saving ensures the new page and any content you've added are preserved, whether you're working locally or syncing to the cloud. That's it. Clean, controlled, and consistent. To recap, open your document, set